Learn from failures, be grateful for success. V. Bala Subramaniam. Today's competitive culture, compete or perish, appears to have produced two classes of people, one who are bound to achieve success and the other who may not succeed, thinking they do not have conducive atmosphere or enough capabilities to be able to compete. Many of us think we are suffering because of the Sandarbh situations in life. However, in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, the cause of unhappiness and the miseries is not the situation but more than the Sandarbh. It is in your internal state that gives you your sorrows. The Gita further says, Agnanena avritam gananam. Your intellect is covered with ignorance, and it is this ignorance you are basically suffering from. Your situation has one unit of impact, but your inability to face the situations because of ignorance has a deeper impact on your life. With knowledge alone, we can end our ignorance. People generally take things at their face value and remain ignorant of how nature is at work in the background. For example, if you cut off one branch of a tree, a new branch grows back in time. This law of nature is applied to human life also. The Gita says that your capabilities are much more than your limitations. There are many examples of how these factors account for personal growth. For instance, when the martial art expert Bruce Lee was asked what the secret of his success was, he replied, I don't have a perfect body. My right leg is roughly an inch shorter than my left. That is why I put my right leg forward in my stance. Also, I am short-sighted. Therefore, I specialize in close encounters. I have converted my disadvantages into advantage. Even though he did not know English well, Lee became the first Chinese to be invited to Hollywood. On the beach near the ocean, if you dig, you can draw a mug of water to clean yourself. This water is from the ocean itself. In the same way, your infinite self includes the finite. Understanding this will help you develop a different outlook in life. As Adi Sankaracharya says in Bhaja Govindam, it does not matter whether you are in yoga or in bhog, in the midst of people or a recluse. You are not affected by either conditions because you are infinite. Today's world, the clamor to compete or perish is not be all and end all of existence. It's simply an ultimatum means to spur people to succeed in life. If a person has failed in the first instant, he does not necessarily perish, for everyone has the potential to avail other chances and regain what was lost in the first instance. As Kabir says, Dheere re mana, dheere sab kuch hoye. Slowly your mind starts changing. If 100 buckets of water are poured on a plant at a time, it will not become a tree overnight. Take baby steps to progress. Every time you fail, learn from your failure. Every time you succeed, be grateful for such experience. When you do, people excellence will greet you every moment. Thank you. Sacred space, value of silence. Though we create each energy and it produces its own current, whether negative or positive, in quietness I step inside and connect to my original quality of peace, and I stabilize myself in the thought of that original peace. Then I slowly begin to feel great. Dadi Janki, thank you.